Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell, and today I'm going to be working on a Galaxy Tumbler. Now, this is what they look like when I get them. I sand them down with 220 and then I wipe them down with alcohol. For a Galaxy Tumbler, they need to be spray painted black, and this is what I used. Krylon all-in-one paint and primer matte black. I gave it a real good coat of that and let that dry, and then I took it back outside and sprayed it with Zinsser's Bullseye's 123 primer. You can use any white primer. It doesn't have to be this kind. So I just did bursts here and there. I got 3 of them on here. This is where the color is going to go. I have seen many Galaxy tumblers, and there are several that are really, really cool. This one caught my eye, so I'm anxious to give this one a shot. Alright, so for this section, got Ranger Indigo, Ranger Sailboat Blue, that one's almost out, so I have a backup, and then Turquoise Bria Reese, and then Pool by Ranger. Then I have some blending solution, and an old brush. Much as I don't like these gloves, I need to put some gloves on. I ran out of my other ones, so I don't like these clear ones. They don't stretch, they just rip. Plus you can see everything that's on them already. I already got something on them. Alright, I think I want to start with the green blue up the top. Saw this technique on TikTok. Stephanie Peterson was the lady's name. Okay, the bristles keep coming out of that, so we're going to try a different brush. Well, this brush is better, so that's good. I got this little overspray here. I want to make sure I get some color into that. Okay, my next colors. I have Purple Twilight by Ranger, Fiesta by Ranger, I have Cadmium Red Bria Reese, and Bria Reese Alcohol Ink Orange. Rinse my brush out real good. Add just a touch of this indigo. Now we'll start blending. think that came out really good. I'm loving those colors. Okay, last but not least, we have Pinata Lime Green and Marabou Metallic Yellow. So I don't know about that metallic part. We'll try it. So I have sanded down my cup, and then I did paint the bottom black. You can see I've just painted up just a little bit so that when I put my tree line on there, that will help it blend. So here is my tree line. I printed off of Cricut. I found the design on Etsy. It's an SVG. I can put the shop down in the description below of the shop that I bought it from. And so since this ink design is down towards the bottom, I don't want to cover it all up. So I'm going to start there with my smaller trees. I'm just trying to line it up close to the bottom, but I don't want to go on the rounded part. Don't want to get any buckles or creases in this, so I'm trying to take my time and just do a little bit at a time. And if I didn't quite get it exactly right along the bottom, I can paint more of it black to cover up the line if it doesn't match up. Yeah, I'm a little off. I think I'm going to cut it right here. Just try to separate these as best I can. Then I will just place this one down to help match it up a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and lift this off. So okay, so that looks fine. Up here looks good, and where I merged it together looks fine as far as the tree line goes. I just have to paint this in black now, and then that should blend it all together. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put her name on first, and then I'll paint that bottom part. So we'll do that. Okay, so I think her name will look good right here. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah. I think that fixed it. Okay, so that's it for that step. Now, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to seal this up with some Mod Podge so that the paint won't bleed when I go to put another coat of resin on it, and that it will have this all sealed up.